Hi everyone, I'm Greg Wilshaw and I'm Greg the Gum Guy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I am a registered hygienist, but that's not what this is about. Straight away we can get rid of this. So this is about me as a patient, as a regular person, basically not a clinician. And it's about me taking and demonstrating advice given by a hygienist and showing it in real time, showing the best way this can be performed and the benefits it can have for you. Also, I'm going to be trialling products commonly recommended by a hygienist and just sharing the experience of that. And I'm also going to try to explain more about what common terms mean, like pockets, like RSD, like periodontitis, like gingivitis, and just explain what that means and the effects of that. I've uploaded some videos already and I'll be uploading new videos every couple of weeks. So you can enjoy them, you can watch them, enjoy them, hopefully they'll be of some benefit to you. If they are, you can like the videos, you can subscribe to the channel and you'll get regular updates. So that's it, I'm Greg the Gum Guy and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.